Hi everyone, I was just shopping. Michael's has some amazing Christmas things right now, like this ribbon. I just bought a bunch of things for some Christmas projects I'm going to be working on. I'm going to be creating a wreath made out of southern magnolia leaves. I love magnolia leaves. I think they look super high-end. You always see them in interior design magazine. I am participating in a challenge. This challenge is hosted by Natalee from Designed to the Nines and Jennifer from A Little Bit of Calm and Crazy. Both these ladies have super creative ideas. It's like the crafting gods looked down and blessed these ladies because the things they come up with are really, they look very high-end. They do things on a budget. And so check out in my description below the link to both of their channels. Oh, and if you like my idea, if you want to see more DIYs and share more ideas, think about subscribing. I'm starting with a grapevine wreath. I have some dried leaves, some magnolia leaves, and I'm going to put them on upside down just because I like this side of the leaf. I've taken them off of the branches and I'm gonna just start gluing them on. Smaller ones are going on the inside and then larger ones on the outside. Here is the final wreath. I went around the sides and added a few more leaves so that it looks good from any angle, and I think that's about even all around. And I think the nice thing about this wreath is that you can dress it up for the fall or for Christmas or even for the spring. These leaves will just stay like this. So I'm gonna put a really pretty Christmas bow. Some of this wide 2.5 inch ribbon, 2.5 inch burlap ribbon, and also put it with this really pretty sparkly red ribbon as well. And I think I'm gonna make a nice generous sized bow because that wreath is so large and so pretty. Just attached this bow with that same piece of string that I used to tie it all together, and so I could easily remove it and dress it up for the next holiday if I wanted to. And I love the way this turned out. These natural magnolia leaves are so pretty. So thanks everyone for watching Jenny's Home, my channel, and thanks to our hosts. I can't wait to see what everyone else comes up with. Merry Christmas, everyone.